What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to put to the test most advanced candle. So let's open up this candle and see what it's all about. Boom. Whoa, look at that. Check this out, and right here in the middle there's a fuse. I don't want to break it by mistake. And it looks like it comes with the lighting fuse as well. You guys are gonna be amazed once you see how it works. I got here a cake because we're gonna have to put this to the test. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the cake. Boom. Instead of having lots of candles, you have one big one. I'm gonna dim the lights just because we're working with candles here. So we wanna see what it looks like when you're actually going to sing happy birthday. Okay, you guys ready? I'm ready. And then you just light it up and just, whoa, check this out, it's like a fuse. Whoa, create quite a bit of smoke. No way, did you see that? Wow. And it sings happy birthday. Look, this one didn't open all the way, we can just help it a little bit. But can you hear the melody? It sings happy birthday with you. And you see this is a little incense, so that when you're touching the fuse and it all lights up, opens up, and check this out. It just keeps singing, wow. And you know what I like also about these candles? They're standing right here and they're not going to drip inside of your cake. Even if you're going to take a while to blow them out, a lot of times the candles melt and they melt right into your cake. And it's not as good because you don't want to eat those paraffin candles. But check this out. I'm going to pretend it's my birthday and I'm going to blow them out. Honestly, I cannot believe how long the melodies keep running. By the way, I'm talking over the music kind of on purpose so we don't have a copyright issues. So that way it's a fair use. But as you can see, just keep on going and repeat. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna blow them out. Yay, happy birthday to me. Even though it's not my birthday, definitely a coolest candle. How do you stop it? I guess you'd have to remove the battery for it to stop, because it just keep going. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the battery so it would stop playing. But how cool was that? Definitely the best birthday candle I ever seen. Definitely most advanced one. And look, it's still spinning. So cool. And obviously now it's a one-time use. You take it out and I guess you can dispose of it. Not sure if you could recycle it or not, but it's definitely an amazing candle, birthday candle. So you want to surprise somebody and somebody's birthday is coming, definitely get one of those. I actually saw videos about this candle like years ago, but I did not know where to buy them. So I actually went to Walmart for something and I bumped into this candle and a powder popper that I did yesterday video of. And I was like, whoa, no way. I'm so glad I went to Walmart because I found these two things and I was like 100% I'm making videos about them. And this was two awesome videos. So if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.